Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. This repair is manageable with the right approach and can save you significant costs. Before touching anything, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Have your basic hand tools ready, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Always work on a cool engine and a stable surface. Now let's access the old alternator. It's typically mounted on the engine block, often visible from the top or bottom. First, use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the drive belt, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any smaller electrical connectors. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets, which usually involves 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully remove it from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully maneuver the new alternator into position, aligning its mounting holes with the engine brackets. Insert and hand tighten the mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect all electrical connections, ensuring the main power wire and any smaller wires are clean and securely fastened. Double-check all connections for tightness. Almost done. Now, carefully reroute and reinstall the serpentine drive belt onto all pulleys, ensuring proper tension. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's clean and tight. Start your vehicle and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Using a multimeter, check the battery voltage with the engine running. It should read approximately 13½ to 14½ volts, indicating proper charging. Congratulations, you've replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.